In this video, I will show you how to buy YouTube subscribers in 2025 at an affordable price. Also, by buying subscribers, you can monetize your channel without any issues because I have previously purchased 500 subscribers for this channel, and they are still alive on my channel. If you are looking to buy subscribers just to monetize your YouTube channel, this video is going to be perfect for you. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use NiceOp to buy YouTube subscribers. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. For buying subscribers, you can visit their official website called NiceOp. The link to this site can be found in the description of this video. Then you can sign up with your Google account, which is quite simple. After that, you will see an interface like this. Before buying any service, let me explain how to add funds to NiceOp. Basically, adding funds on NiceOp is quite simple. You just need to visit NiceOp, and on the right side, you'll find the Add Fund option. Click on it, and a new interface will appear. Here, you can add funds to NiceOp using various payment methods, such as bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Payeer, card, and many more. Simply choose the method that is available to you, select it, and go to the amount section to enter the desired amount. Then provide the payment information below, and the balance will be added to your account. Basically, this is a website through which you can buy any social media related service. I've already made lots of videos on that site, on which I have bought many social media services. Now here you will find the option to buy services, and you just need to click on it. If you look here, you'll find a search box, and below it, platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and many others will be shown. Now, you need to come to the search bar and search for Buy YouTube Subscribers, like I am doing. You'll see services appear named YouTube Subscribers Not Guaranteed, YouTube Subscribers Guaranteed, Country Targeted Subscribers, and many more subscribers in front of us. I click on YouTube Subscribers Guarantee, which costs $10.40 here. We will get 1,000 subscribers here, then I need to click either here or on the purchase button. After that, a complete description of this service will appear in front of you. Now, first of all, look at this channel of mine, where today I will buy 500 more subscribers and complete the 1,000 subscriber criteria. So first, you need to go back to NiceOp and read the service description. Like here, you get 30 days to refill subscribers, the quality is real, and the drop is 10%. Also, keep a few things in mind before buying, like don't change the username, keep the account public, and after placing one order, submit the next order only after it is completed. Now, I will go to my YouTube channel and copy its link. Then I'll paste it here on NiceOp. After that, I'll go to the amount box, and here I will add my quantity. For example, if I need 500 subscribers, I will write 500 here, and the cost will be around $5.20. After checking everything, I will click the purchase button, and my order will be submitted here. Now, after waiting for a few minutes, you can see that finally, subscribers have started coming to my channel. As I keep refreshing, the subscribers keep increasing. Now, if you want to do part-time business, I am bringing an opportunity for you. You need to create YouTube channels and use NiceOp to buy 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then sell those channels. For example, if your cost is $100 to monetize one channel, you can easily sell it for around $300 or $400. This way, you can easily make a profit of $200 or $300. And yes, if you face any problems, you can contact NiceOp's Help Center, which is available 24/7. Now, I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Media Tech video.